Traversal is one of the operation you do on the trees, binary tree or binary search tree or any tree in general to read all the data in the nodes and all the nodes of the tree. So traversal is defined as follows. Traversal moving through all the nodes of the tree in general, binary tree or binary search tree, visiting each node in turn. That's called a traversal. And then we can think of a traversal orders to decide if we are to visit the node before traversing either subtree, right or left subtree, between the subtrees, or after traversing both the subtrees. So depending on that, we can define traversal orders. So technically, we can have 6 orders in traversing the binary tree or trees. So let's denote the V as a visiting node. The visiting node means as we visit the node has some value. So we want to process the value. For example, just print the value or do some operation. Anyway, so V is as you get to the node, we want to do something on that. That is denoted as a V, and the L denotes traversing the entire left subtree, R traversing the entire right subtree. Then just a combination theory that we could have 6 of those V visiting node and then left to right subtree visiting node and so on. But standard traversal orders are just limiting the left and right subtree in that order from left to right only, not the reverse. Then we have 3 standard traversal orders. So visiting the node and do something as we reach the node, and then traverse the whole left subtree, then whole right subtree. So that is called the pre-order. Pre means before left and right subtree. And another standard traversal order is left subtree first. So complete all the left subtree, then do something on the node, and then right subtree. So visiting the node is in between the 2 subtrees. So we call it as a in order traversal. And then the third one is take care of left subtree and right subtree first, and then do something on the node. That's a post. Post means after left and right subtree. So we have 3 standard traversal orders we can define there. So in detail, it is as follows. Pre-order traversal is me first. So do with the node, right, printing the value or whatever, and then left and right subtree. And then post-order me last. So take care of all the left subtree nodes, and then nodes in the right subtree. And then do something with the value in the node. And in order is in between. So take care of a left subtree and then do with the node and then right subtree. So we have 3 standard traversal orders. Pre-order, post-order, and then in order is there. So here is an example that suppose this is the binary tree we have. So it's actually binary search tree we have. It's not binary search tree because we have a violation between the 2. Anyway, binary search tree is a kind of a binary tree, and traversal order is the same thing for both the binary and binary search tree. So if we have this tree, then pre-order is so do the node first and then left subtree and right subtree. That's pre-order. So begin with the root. So as we reach at the node, take care of the node value first. So suppose what we are going to do is print the value. So 1 is printed. Then go to the left. There is nothing on the left. Now go to the right. So as we reach on the right subtree, so here as we reach the root of the right subtree, then pre-order is always do on the node first. So what you do is printing the value. So print the value first, then go to the left subtree. As we move to the left subtree of 2, we are at node 3, so print the value. And then do the left subtree. So print the value of 4, and then this is a right sub 3 over 3, print the value 5. So that's what we get if we apply pre-order traversal for this tree. And then in order is take care of left subtree first and then do with the node and the right subtree. So as we begin with the root, first thing is take care of left subtree first, nothing. So we process the value on the current node, so 1 is printed. Then take care of right subtree. As we reach at the right subtree, we reach at node 2, which is the root node of the right subtree. And then we apply in order. In order is take care of left subtree first. This is a left subtree of node 2, so we go down to 3. And then we keep applying in order. Before you take care of node 3, take care of left subtree first. So we go down to 4. As we reach at 4, we do left subtree first, nothing. And then do the things on the node. So 4 is printed. And right subtree, nothing. So we are done with this subtree, which was left of 3. Then do something on the node. 3 is printed. Now go to the right subtree. As we reach 5, check left subtree, nothing. Now print 5, right subtree, nothing. That. So we have completed this part, which was left of node 2. Now we are ready to process on node 2. So 2 is printed, and then right subtree is nothing. So this is in order traversal. Now the last one is a post order is take care of left subtree, right subtree, and then do something on the current node. So that's the order. So begin with the root. Now take care of left subtree, nothing, and then right subtree. So we reach at the right subtree, which is node 2. Before we do anything, take care of left subtree first. That's a post order. So we go down to 3, and then before you do anything on 3, take care of left subtree first. So we go down to 4. As we reach node 4, take care of left subtree first, nothing. Right subtree second, nothing. And then time to do something on the node 4. So we have done this part because that was a left subtree of 3. So next one is a right subtree of 3, which is 5. The left and right of 3 is done. Now time for 3. We have completed this one because it was a left of the 2. Then take care of a right of the 2, nothing. And then it's time to node 2. And then this was completed because it was a right of node 1. So now it's time for node 1. So that is a post order traversal. So that's the basic idea of traversals in trees.